Hey guys, what's up? It's been a long time since I've given any update on the cabin that I'm building in Lake Tahoe. And there's a few good reasons why. The first is that we weren't able to pour the foundation until last May because Tahoe doesn't let you do any groundwork between October and May. And second, we were unfortunately at the mercy of some supply chain delays, especially for our windows and sliding doors. Just waiting for the slider that opens onto the back patio set us back at least 4 months. And since local building code doesn't allow you to move forward with the interior until the structure is dried in, we couldn't really do anything. The framing, the sheathing, and the rough mechanical have all been done for a while, so it was pretty frustrating to have to wait and still pay interest on our construction loan. But now, all the windows and sliders are in, and the crew has been back at it in spite of the crazy amount of snow. So my wife and I recently took a trip up there to check out the progress and pick out a few remaining finishes, and I'm excited to share our experience with you guys. We had never seen the cabin with any siding or windows, so we were pretty excited to see the cedar up there with the black windows. I think it's a really sharp look. Here's me trying not to slip and fall as I check out the porch. We were really particular about the stain of the cedar, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Heading inside to the main living space where they had actually just finished the first coat of paint right when we got there. This gas fireplace will be finished floor to ceiling with natural stone, and the kitchen will be along this back wall with an island, and then through this opening there'll be a pantry. And as we turn and head up the stairs here, we'll come up onto the landing. We'll have 2 windows bringing in nice natural light, and then we turn to the right and we have the primary bedroom. Lots of windows again. That slider there gives some peekaboo views to the lake and opens out onto a deck. And then the wall on the right will be wood, and the bed will be up against it. There'll be a TV in the corner there by those 3 windows. Now we're entering the primary ensuite. There's a nice tiled, glassed-in walk-in shower there, double vanity, a couple nice windows. And then this is the closet. And heading back out onto the landing, you can see the laundry area is right there. And then if we keep going across the room, we get to the second bedroom here. And this is a good sized room. There's plenty of space for a king size bed. Lots of windows. This big window here looks out over the forest. We have a good sized closet. And then right around the corner here, we have an identical bedroom, same layout. The only difference in here is that the ceilings are a little bit taller because we have a shed style roof. Both bedrooms will share this bathroom. This one has a tub, and the tiling should start any day now. And there's also double vanities in here as well. And we couldn't go in there because they were painting, but here's the garage. So we were planning on going to pick out our slabs for our countertops, but we ended up getting a flat tire. Thankfully, the guys at Truckee Tire got us back on the road real quick by patching us up, and they didn't even charge us anything. So here we are at the slab warehouse. We had narrowed it down to natural stone countertops to pair with our wood cabinetry. We ended up going with a quartzite called Taj Mahal because it was nice and neutral. It had really cool veining. And you can't really see it in the video here, but it has all these little crystals. And finally, we checked out a local flooring place, but honestly, we couldn't decide between luxury vinyl plank, laminate, or engineered hardwood, so we're gonna have to come back to that. Anyways, that's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates over the next couple of months as the cabin nears completion. Fingers crossed that there's no more crazy delays. If you're interested in learning about how I was able to build this cabin for $500,000 less than its appraised value, I have a lot of videos on my channel detailing the entire process.